How to delete Reddit search history on Reddit app. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete your Reddit search history on the app. First thing that you want to do is open your Reddit app, and from here you can tap on your profile, then tap on settings. Once you are inside your settings, there are different ways that you can delete your history. So this is the first one. If you scroll down, you will see this option right here. Under advanced, you will see the clear local history option if you are on iPhone, but if you're on Android, you won't see the option. You will have to tap on your profile and tap on history, and it will show up all of your recent history here. So what you can do is tap on this three line to clear your entire history. This is one way to do it, and in order to clear your search history, you can tap on your search bar and it will show up all of the searches that you have recently made. It will only show 3 at a time, so you can keep tapping on this cross icon to delete all of your search history. And that's how you can easily delete all of your search history on Reddit app. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.